Hey everyone, my name is Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So as you can see, I have the biggest smile on my face and I am going to tell you why. Now, I know it's been a while since I've done an update on my apartment, but we have made a lot of progress and that is why I am smiling. I've gotten so much done in such a little time. It has officially been a month since I've been in this apartment and I've enjoyed myself. I've had a peace of mind. My house is coming together and I'm so excited to take you on this journey. So if you haven't been to this channel before, welcome. Definitely subscribe. And if you have been here, welcome back. So this is my updated apartment video. So I'm just gonna take you guys through a little walkthrough. Since I've been in this apartment, I have had a chance to get my table, and let me just start from the beginning. I started over from ground zero. There was absolutely nothing in this apartment but my clothes and my lamps and a mattress. Since I've been in here, I have ordered my couch, my table, my bed, my bar. I have not gotten the bathrooms together, but at the end of the day, I feel like with that, it's gonna be something that I'm taking my time on. I am taking my time in this process because I am starting over and I don't wanna rush things. My lease here is for right now for a year. So that means I have another 11 months to just kind of absorb and just kind of order things as I go, just be in the moment and just kind of feel out the type of style that I like when it comes to decor, because I know I see so many things. One minute I'll see a video and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's me. I love that. I want to order that. And the next minute I see another video and I gravitate towards that. So I'm taking the time to actually decide on the things that I want, because I can't have it all. And I don't want to have it all because my last apartment just kind of felt cluttered and junky for that specific reason. So let me just kind of take you guys through what I have so far. So first things first, I am obsessed with my bedroom. The lighting in this apartment is amazing. It is amazing. It is better than the lighting that I had before. I've said that multiple times, and it is just a lot of natural light. As you can see in the bedroom video, it just looks so much brighter. You can see the colors, very warm. I am a person who was born in the fall, so I love earthy browns and chocolates, and I love beige tones. So that is kind of the theme that I went with for this apartment. So as you can see, like I have the comforter set. I actually just got this waffled comforter set today because the last one that I had, one, it didn't go with this apartment, but two, like I had only had it for about 2 months and then I washed it, it melted. So I like this aesthetic a little bit better. I want more texture. That's why I decided to go with a pattern rug. Now the wall in this room is probably going to be wallpaper, but we haven't quite gotten there yet. But the closet space is amazing. I love the fact that I do have a 2-bedroom apartment. That was on purpose because I have a lot of clothes, as you can see, and I was able to like really organize my stuff this time. And so yeah, this bedroom, this is the bedroom that I sleep in. Absolutely, like it's just me. And then next up, you're gonna have like, you walk into the apartment and you can see like how bright it is. You can see this is my table. I am obsessed with this table. At first, I was kind of unsure because I felt like the chairs sat kind of low, but no, I absolutely love it. Only thing is, with anything beige or cream, you're going to get stains. Now, unfortunately, this one came with some stains on it out the box, but I don't have time to be sending anything back. Plus, if you watch my last video, you know I went through a lot of drama with FedEx and Wayfair. So I just didn't have the energy. So I'll probably get me like a little Tide pen or something and clean that up. But the table itself is beautiful. My niece and my sister came up with the idea to sit the statue in the center of the in the center of the table, which I felt just works so well because I didn't know what to do with that statue. And it has a lot of meaning because if you're familiar, my older sister, Donna, she is no longer here, but she had the same exact statue, and she got hers because I wouldn't give her mine. And so now my niece has this statue, and it has a lot of meaning. And plus, my aunt who passed away a couple years ago, she had a statue that was very similar. So again, the pieces that I'm choosing and places that I'm putting them just has a lot of meaning for me. Next up, you have my couch. I'm sitting like right in front of it. It is so spacious, so comfortable. I actually didn't realize like how long the couch was gonna be, but it's very comfortable. Oh my gosh, when I get off from work, first thing I want to do is take my makeup off because it is cream, and I just want to pull the ottomans out and just take my blanket, wrap up, watch TV. I am gonna have this TV mounted. I haven't gotten that done just quite yet. I do like the idea of the black stand right there, but right now I'm still in the process of figuring out placements for things. So one of my favorite things that I just had to have was this bar. Y'all, this bar is the bomb.com. It is my coffee and wine bar. So I love that I was able to sit my Keurig on it. I have even though I already have an ice machine, this particular ice machine I got off TikTok Shop, you can make the type of ice from Chick-fil-A and Sonic. If you know, you know. So I'm obsessed with this little area because I feel like it's great for entertaining when I have company, and if somebody wanted to come and make them some coffee. I'm actually thinking about getting one of those little mini refrigerators, like the really small ones, and just maybe putting the little cold drinks where you can house like maybe 6 cans or something. I don't know, still on the fence about it, still have time to decide, but I like the idea of that. And then of course, this room is my content room. Right now it's the room that I'm spending the most time in. Of course, like, it is a little messy, but that's okay because like I said, I'm spending a lot of time in it. So I'm utilizing these spaces. I have a matching chair, which that whole chair situation turned out to be a blessing. Reference my other video if you if you know, you know. But yeah, I have in this room, it is pretty much like a grayish silvery kind of vibe. And then I have pictures of my sister. I have my computer stand, and of course I have like my area where I do my makeup and I film a little bit. And then the closet in this room, this specific room in general is just the biggest room in my house in general. So I chose that room because I know I was going to spend the most time. My get ready with me's, it just would be more fitting for space. So again, I love the closet space. You see, I have a lot of clothes. And guys, this is not even all my clothes that I have. I still have clothes in storage totes. I have another closet in the hallway that has all of my jackets. And then of course, you know, we have the kitchen, but like I said, I'm not going to really do much to the kitchen because to me it's just a kitchen. And a lot of my appliances aren't matchy, and I'm not, in this economy, I'm not going out to buy these aesthetic-y matching things to replace the stuff that I already have. It doesn't make sense for me monetarily wise. So we're gonna use what we have. But again, I have been enjoying this space, and I love being home. Like, home is a place that is my safe haven. It's my peace of mind. It's the place that I feel the most myself. I am very happy with my decision And the only thing that I don't like about this apartment, because you know there's pros and cons to everything, I live on the 4th floor and those stairs be kicking my ass, but I just look at it as exercise. So yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys the progress that we have made so far. I am open to suggestions, so if you have any suggestions on anything that I should add, especially with the my bedroom, I'm thinking about getting some brown or chocolate toned pillows. The theme in that room is just basically warm tone colors. So again, leave me some options in the comment section below. If you have not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.